Create professional reports ready for sharing in minutes. Ajelix data visualization platform is tailored to ease the reporting for managers, experts, and small business owners. Here's how to create a report in under a minute. First, upload your data source. Go to the Data Sources page and select the data type. For example, an Excel file. Finish the uploading process and select the Add Report button. Click Generate Dashboard in the editor, and AI will give you a meaningful report. You can add graphs manually, change colors, and customize report. Once everything is ready, click Share and select the sharing settings. This tool can turn your messy reports into professional dashboards, ready for sharing with stakeholders. The right tools to get the job done. Register and start creating on ajelix.com.